Hi, this is Bob Orow with Orow Home Improvement. Thank you for stopping by. I want to take about 2 to 3 minutes of your time to give you some valuable information that will be worth from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars of savings off your project. Now, Orow Home Improvement specializes in roofing all types of windows, doors, siding, trim, gutters, and stone. In fact, we have a system that we can put real stone on your house for the same price as a man-made stone, which is a tremendous savings. But let's talk about how can I save you a lot of money? How can Orow Home Improvement really help you? You see, it's the way we give our estimates. It's not what we do, it's how we do it. Now, in this industry, because it's a commission-based program where companies, they don't want to show you a lot of choices, they want to keep it very simple, and then they want to come in with an extremely high price that they can start doing the fake timeline, deadlines, phony discounts. So what they're doing is they're trying to make you chase that discount. Sorry, we do not do that. What we do is we listen intently to what you're trying to accomplish. And because we have so many talented people with Orow Home Improvement that know how to do color design, texture layout, program layout, once we get an idea of what you're trying to accomplish, and then we get a really good understanding of your budget. So the secret here is, how can I bring you spectacular choices with designer colors, performance products, textures? A lot of people say, I can't believe I can put this type of a product with this type of a product and have it look great. Well, believe me, you can. Now, because we are a high volume dealer, I've been in business almost 45 years, we get incentives all the time, some freebies. And once we get them, we pass them on. Because we don't want to just make your house look great, we want to make it look spectacular. So when we lay out 2, 3, 4 different choices of what we can do for you, every single time people say, wow, I didn't know I can put this color with this color, I can put horizontal with vertical here, I can put this and this. It's got to cost a lot of money. No, it doesn't. Because when you get the incentive packages the way we do, we can give you a lot of extra bonuses for literally free. Now, once we go ahead and give you the price, we get up, we shake your hand, and we say, sleep on it, talk about it, think about it, because keep in mind, without you, I do not have a business. You are the most important asset to my company, so I want everything to be perfect for you. Once you decide to call us back, we then come to the job, we set it up professionally, and when we start working, you are going to love the experience because you're going to have a team of people that are going to become your go-to company, your go-to people. Because you might come back to me for, if you didn't do roofing, windows, and siding this time, you might do roofing now, windows later, siding later. You're going to come back to us. Now, let me ask you this. How many times have you ever heard your friends, family, coworkers ever say, man, I had these contractors in the house, I loved it, I mean, it was fun every day, exciting. No, what you hear is, my God, I can't stand it. Every time, 3-week project turned into 3 months. This guy or this woman said that they were going to do this, never happened. I couldn't wait for them to get out of our house. You know what, we've never ever had that happen to us. In fact, when we're done with the job, and we get ready to clean up and leave, people come on and say, we're going to miss you guys. I wish I didn't buy everything. I wish I would have held some off so I can call you back later. I'm joking, of course, but I got to tell you that they love the experience. So let's just go over real quick. You're going to get extra bonuses from me. You're going to never have to chase a fake timeline discount or a phony coupon. You're going to get all the freebies that we can get from the factories. You're going to love the design features that we can give you on color coordination and texture coordination and product performances. You're going to love everything that we're going to give you in a package form. And then you're going to really like the bottom line pricing. But anyway, that's my message to you. Oh, by the way, this technique of mine, of my company, Orow Home Improvement, is so effective that over the case of 45 years, it has built this company with an 82 to 84% word of mouth referral and repeat customer-based business. Now, that is unheard of in this industry. Anyway, thank you for listening. Give us a call. Bob Orow with Orow Home Improvement. Thank you.